So today we got the car mount for the Tesla Model Y. Let's see if this one actually goes into the vent or not. The reason I got the vent and not the sticky one, the suction one, is because I don't want to leave stain marks on the car. So let's try to put this in the vent. If this doesn't fit, then I have to go back and return it and probably order something from the evbase.com to actually get the vent mount for the Tesla. So let's try to put it in now. You can also use this magnetic mount to also charge your vehicle, and this is where the cable comes in handy, USB-A to USB-C. You also have this attachment that goes into the vent, or at least it's supposed to, and the way this attaches is this magnetically switches here, and then you can put your MagSafe supported phone here and it magnetically attaches. So first, let's try to see if this one actually fits into the vent or not. This is a bit thicker and shorter, not long, so let's see if this goes deep enough. Let's try this right now. Maybe I can put it here. Oh no, it doesn't go. I'm trying to stretch this out. Okay. Okay, this attaches now. Okay, let's try to do this now. Okay, it attaches, but the visibility is not there at all. What I've decided is I'm going to use the sticky one because this does not stay in and it's not ideal for the Tesla. So let's see how strong this 3M sticky adapter is gonna be like. I don't think it can hold for so long, but I'll give it a shot. So I want this to go here. So I'm gonna take this sticker out. So this is the 3M sticker. This is the adhesive. Let's see. I want it to go maybe here. I'm just applying pressure so that the gum sticks. The guy told me it doesn't leave any stain, so let's see in the course of a couple of months what happens if this stays on for a couple of months. Okay, now I can put this attachment right here, which is supposed to hold the phone. I will use this phone as an example. Now it's there, so it should be good. Let's hope the magnet is strong enough so that it never falls down when I'm driving. Some of you might be thinking why I got the phone mount for the Model Y, especially when the car already has a giant display right there in the center. At least in my case, the reason was I wanted to put my phone in the phone mount so that I can continue using Waze. Waze is a navigation app, and that is my preferred app, especially driving around the city and everywhere. It is a user populated, meaning that if there are any incidents, there is going to be someone who is going to be reporting that. And I'm pretty comfortable using Waze over Apple Maps or Google Maps. And Tesla, out of the box, they do not support Waze. You might be able to use the browser functionality in the display and then maybe load Waze like that, but for me, that has not been a good experience. I haven't even been able to get it working. So I got the phone mount so that I can put my phone there and use it. I do have concern with the phone mount that I got because I am using the adhesive because the vent did not actually fit. The attachment was not good. So the adhesive, if it's not strong enough, and I'll only know after a couple of weeks of driving, if it's not strong enough, it might come off, and I don't want that to happen, especially when I'm driving. The other concern is the MagSafe attachment that holds my iPhone 14 Pro Max on that phone mount is not as strong as maybe the MagSafe connector or the MagSafe charger that I have bought from Apple themselves. Now, because this is a third-party MagSafe accessory, I understand that it's not going to be as strong in terms of the magnetic strength, but as I continue to drive, maybe in different road conditions, I might be able to test that. But I guess that's been it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace.